Hello everyone. So now you welcome to new video. So today we are going to learn about LCM. Okay. So already we have learned fundamental operations, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Okay. So these things we have learned, and we have learned simplification also. If you have any problem, any doubt in this topic, then you can visit to the videos, next videos. You can play all the videos and see there. Okay. So now today we are going to learn about LCM, lowest common multiple. Lowest common multiple is short form is LCM. So LCM we can do in two process, in two ways. Okay, in two ways. One is division. Okay, the first one is division method. Division. Okay, division method, and next one is prime factorization method. Next one is prime factorization method. Prime factorization method. Okay, so there are two processes for solving LCM. Okay, so do not be confused in these things. Okay, so LCM you can solve in two methods, which you feel easy, you can do in that way, or sometimes the question will be given like this also. Solve the LCM, find the LCM by division method, or sometimes it will be given like find the LCM by prime factorization method. So do not get confused in that thing. Okay, so today we will learn, at first we will learn about division method, then we will come to prime factorization method. Okay, so let's learn first process, that is division method. Okay, so I will give some questions. I will solve some questions by division method. Okay, like 8, one number, a number. Okay, so 8 and 10. So how you will do this? By division method. Okay, so 8, 10, both will be solved at once. Both will be solved at once. And which number you should keep? You should keep the appropriate number that should divide both. You should keep the appropriate number that should or must divide these both. Okay, like suppose 2, 2 4 is 8, 2 5 is 10. 3 will not go. 4 will also not go. 5 will also not go. Okay, so means 2. 2 4 is 8, 2 5 is 10. Either simply up to here itself you can do, or up to here also it is correct. Okay, up to here only it is correct. But according to my point of view, just you take out 1 1 at last. If you take out 1 1 at last, then it will be easy for you to do. Okay, now again, now it will go single, like 2 1s are 2, 2s are 4, 5. 2 will not divide to 5, no need to write. 2 1s are 2, now 5. Now 5 1 1. Okay, so now it came to 1 1. So when it comes 1 1, then it is now correct. Or that was up to here also it is correct, no problem, no any doubt. But if you take out 1 1, it will be easy to solve. Okay, now LCM. Therefore LCM. Okay, now LCM is equal to, now you should write all these from up to down. And 1, if you want to write, then you write, otherwise don't write, because 1 will not affect anything. Like 2 into 1 will be 2 itself, so no need to write, just write all the numbers. 2 into 2 into 2 into 5, how much it will be now? 2 into 2 into 2 into 5. Okay, these are all the numbers you should write. Okay, now 2 to the 4, 4 to the 2 to the 4. Okay, 4 to the 4 to the 8. Now 8 5 will be 40. So this number you write here, answer. This is the answer. Okay, of this 8 and 10 LCM. And if you have any problem regarding this question, please you put in the comment box. Okay, put your question in the comment box. This is the question. Okay, by division method. Okay, okay, now question number 2. Now question number B. Okay, we'll do more questions. Okay, we'll do more questions so that it will be easy for you to understand. Now 4 and 6. So I said you division method both will be done at the same time. Now which number you put here, that should divide both. 2 2 to the 4, 2 3 is 6. Now up to here also it is correct. Look, I will check whether. If you do not believe me, then we can check here. 2 into 2 into 3. No, this all we should multiply. Okay, 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Now it will be how much? 2 2 are 4, 4 3 are 12 will be no 12. Okay, so 12. Now answer again. If you do one, if you take out 1 1 at last also it will come 12 itself. Look, I will check. Now 2 1 are 2 and 3. But at first, the number which you keep that should divide both. But later on, it can divide one also, single also. Single, okay, and double too. Single, double, no problem. Later on, at last. Now, 3, 1 the 3, 1. So 1 1 it came, now LCM. LCM is equal to how much? Now this all you should multiply from up to down. 2 into 2 into 3. How much? How much? 2 2 are 4, 4 3 are 12. Answer became 2 2 are 4, 4 multiply 3 will be 12. 4 3 are 12. Do not get confused in this topic, okay? Now this is division method. Okay, I will do more questions so that you will be very clear, because in one question you will not be clear. Okay. Now C number 20 30. Okay, so 20 30. Now you should find the LCM of this. So LCM, the topic is already LCM lowest common multiple. All the lowest, and it should be common also. You can take common and multiply. At last you should multiply. Lowest, all the lowest you should make common. You should take the common from there, and then you should multiply at last. Okay. Now division method. Okay, so this is division method. Yeah, in order to find LCM. Now look here, 20 30. Yes. Okay. Now which number you should keep? That like 5 4 the 20, 5 6 the 30. 5 also you can put, but you should put the lowest number at first. Lowest number. From 2 also it can go. 3 this 30 will go, 20 will not go. 4, yeah, with 4 this will go, this will not go. Okay, so means lowest number is 2. 2 10 are 20, 2 15 are 30. 15, yeah, you should divide like this, other way. 30 divided by 2. 2 1 are 2, 1 0. 2 5 are 2 5 are 10. So this 15 will come here. Okay, so like that we can divide. Okay. This one I have done here. We should divide 15 to the 30, or 30 if you divide 30 by 2, then it will come 15. Okay, like this in other numerical or in other question I will not do, because once one process I have shown you here, you please do in that way. Okay. Now 2 5 are 10, 2 this it will not go. Now which number you should keep? 3 this will not go, because 3 3 are 9 will be, 10 will not be. 3 5 are 15 it will go. 2 number you should go ahead, you should divide. Now 4 will not go. 5 2 are 10, 5 3 are 15. Okay, this much is also done. This much also you can find LCM. LCM is equal to 2 into 5 into 2 into 3. In this way also you can. Now 5 2 5 are 10, 10 2 are 20, 23 are 23 how much? 3 0 are 0, 3 2 are 6, 60. Okay, 60. This is the question. Okay, 60 will come. Or if you want to make 1 1 also you can do it. Okay, like 1 1, let's make 1 1. It will be useful for some other also. Okay, now let's make 2 1 are 2, 2 will not divide to 3, then write 3 itself, like that itself. Now 3 1 are 3. Now 1 1 came. Now find the LCM. LCM is equal to 2 multiply 5 multiply 2. Okay, it is not less. Okay, now LCM is equal to 2 multiply 5 multiply 2 multiply 3. How much it will come now? Multiply 2 multiply 5 multiply 2 multiply 3. So 2 5 is 10. Okay. 10 to the 20. 10 to the 20. Okay, now 23 ja. 23 ja now. How much? 23 ja. 3 0 is 0. 3 to the 6. Okay. 60 is the answer of this question. Okay. So be careful in this thing. You can bring either 1 1 or you can leave up to here itself. No problem. It's your choice. How you want to do, it's your choice. Okay. Now more questions. CD number. Okay, D number now. Let's do 1260. 2. Now 2, write that number which will divide to both 12 also 16 also. So 2 is the perfect, because if you write 3 then it will not be 4, it will be 1. 4 3s are. But what I have said you earlier, you should not directly keep higher numbers. You should not keep directly higher numbers. Keep the lowest number, lowest. 2 2 6 are 12, 2 8 are 16. Okay. Now 2 2 3 are 6, 2 4 are 8. Now up to here also it is correct. Or 3 1s are 3 or no 3. Just divide as first 4. 2 will not divide to 3, then 3 as it is. Now 2 2 2s are 2. 3 will not divide, so 1. 2 1s are 2. Now 3 1 1. Now 1 1 it came at last. Okay. Now LCM is called. LCM 2 into 2 into, how much 2 are there? 1 2 3 4. Okay. So how many 2s are there? 1 2 3 4 5. Okay. Sorry, 4 2s are there and 1 3 is there. 1 1 no need to write. 1 1 no need to write. Because if you multiply any number by 1, then it will be same number. Like 2 multiply 1, 2. 5 multiply 1, 5. 10 multiply 1, 10. So no need to write this 2 here at last. 2 2 are 4, 4 2 are 8, 8 2 are 16, 16 3 are 16 3 are 6 3 are 18, 8 carry over 1, 3 1 are 3 1 4, 48. Okay, 48 is the answer of this question. 2 2 are 4, 4 2 are 8, 8 2 are 16, 16 3 are 48. This is the question of answer of this question. Okay. If you have any queries about this question, please write your problem in the comment box. Okay. Now we'll do one more question. Up to E number. Okay. Now E number. E number will be 12, 18, 27. Okay. Now 18, 27. 18, 27. Okay. Okay, now this is the last question by division method of LCM. Okay. So now after this, then we'll do division method. This is division. Now we'll do prime factorization method. Okay, now 18 and 27. 18, 27. Now keep that number, that will divide to 18 also, 27 also. So 2 9 is 18. Okay, this will not go. 4 3 3 6 are 3 9 are 3 3 6 are 18, 3 9 3 9 are 27. Now also 3, because these 3 will divide to both, but 2 will not divide to 9. So 2 will only divide to 6. So 3 is the better option. Okay. 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9. Okay. This much also, if you want to find LCM, then it is correct. No problem. 3 into 3 into 2 into 3. How much the answer? 3 3s are 9, 9 2s are 3 3s are 9, 9 2s are 18, 18 3s are 18 3s are 8 3s are 24, 4 carry over 2, 3 1 are 3, 2 5, 54. Or if you want to take out 1 1 also, it's fine. No problem. It will come same answer. 2 1s are 2 and 3 to 3 because 2 will not divide to 3. Now 3 1 1. Now LCM. Therefore LCM is equal to 3 3 are 9. Now just write here 3 into 2 into 2 into 3. It will also call 54. 3 3 9 9 2 are 18. 18 3 are 54. So this is the answer of this question. Okay. Okay, so this is the LCM part. Okay, by division method. In next video I will make LCM by prime factorization method, and there are more videos to be made. Okay, so please do like, share and subscribe to MK Maths Tutorial, and please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.